Hi friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register with the broker Tradeview Markets. You will enter the Forex Brokers section, select Tradeview Forex Brokers, and finally click on Go to Website. You enter the Tradeview Markets website and click on Individual Account. In the registration section you have three options: register directly through Google, link through Facebook, or manually enter your email. You choose a password for your account, and I recommend using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And to confirm your password, you just repeat it. You also need to agree to the website's terms by checking the box. And finally, you click on Get Started. And to confirm your password, you repeat it. Then you agree to the website's terms by checking the box, and finally, you click on Get Started. After that, a code will be sent to your email, and you go to your email to check it. You confirm the website's terms by checking the box, and finally, you click on Get Started. Then a code will be sent to your email, and you go to your email. You select Tradeview Market. Copy the code that was sent, and in this section, you enter it. Then click on Submit. In the next step, you select your account type, then enter your first and last name, and finally, click on Register. Once you log into your account has been created. But to work with the Tradeview Markets website, you need to upload documents like your ID card, passport, and so on. Good luck! Good luck!